It's about 5 in the morning and I'm at the airport. I finally got a coffee because they were closed when I got here. So I'm just waiting for my gate to show up on the screen. I'm going to Amsterdam. I'm so excited. I'm all by myself. I don't know how to prove it or why I need to, but I'm all by myself and I'm really nervous. I've just arrived in Amsterdam and I'm on my way to get my case. I was so nervous when I came, and it was also about 5 o'clock in the morning, so I had a coffee and then I had a black tea. And I don't know what I was thinking, but I am very anxious now. I must have seemed very on edge coming through security, but oh my goodness. So the KLM uniform, I love it. That quite possibly felt like the easiest transition I've ever made from an airport because I was really nervous. So there's Central Station there. I managed to get the train from the airport to Central Station and then deposited my luggage, and now I have a couple of hours to shop, I guess. Maybe grab more coffee. I've just arrived at my apartment in Amsterdam. I'm staying just outside of Amsterdam, and if you ever needed an excuse, but you never need an excuse, we're about 15-20 minutes away on the train. It's really affordable, really easy to get to because I got here by myself, which is crazy, but wait until you see this room. This lighting is everything. So welcome to my seating area. This is just coming in the door, and then you can see a seating area outside, which I don't know if that's connected to this or if that's next door, but we have the kitchen, we have the kitchen table with some fruit in it. We have this seating area, a desk, and then this, amazing, okay? So we have a bathroom, but come with me. Because we're going to go upstairs. And oh yeah, that's just a swing. Isn't this just gorgeous? Have our own bedroom swing. Honestly, this is amazing. This is definitely the most unique thing I've ever had in a hotel room. But yeah. Oh, I love this. I almost forgot. This is the main bathroom. How spectacular. I love Amsterdam, but I have to say Haarlem is giving me all of the feels in terms, like, I've still got the canals and the water, but They have the most beautiful architecture and houses. The houses I am passing, oh my goodness. You know when you visit somewhere new and you think, oh, I could live here. I could live in Haarlem. I'm going to have to go back to the hotel and find out immediately how much it costs to live here, because I have never seen such beautiful apartments. Like, honestly, when you talk about floor-to-ceiling windows and just, oh, beautiful, beautiful. So far, Amsterdam and Haarlem in particular have made me nothing but sick with envy. Just getting ready now to go for an evening meal. I'm heat protecting. Oh, I'm getting choked now. I'm heat protecting my hair because if you have colour, you know how quickly that fades. So let's. Thank you.
All right, let's toast.
So you can expect some more aromas than your young wine. And wine in magnums always tastes better, even if you're alone.
Had the most incredible meal at Bowie. I'm going to show you some clips of that, or I have showed you some clips of that. And now I'm getting ready to go to bed, finally, because I am absolutely exhausted. I feel so weird yawning when people are talking to me, but I've been up for too many hours. So now it's time to get ready for bed, and I will see you in the morning.
So just take a seat. I'll come to pick up your for a little drink in a second. Yes, thank you.
Do you like all the dances? Everything else? I found a plastic butterfly.
On the beach with Jutter's Gluk, and this isn't your typical holiday activity, but I have to tell you, if you like scavenger hunting, this is amazing. So not only you're helping clean the beach, but you have a little competition for who can get the most, and I have a spade.
Were you going?
Oh, yeah, it's a...
And why? So. A little bit oil. Yes.
The food has just arrived, so good time.
It's raining so heavily it almost feels like I'm back at home, but I will be home soon. So we're having a walking tour around Haarlem, and it is absolutely pouring rain, which kind of feels familiar. When you're from Scotland, you get used to the rain, so everybody else has umbrellas, and I'm like, okay, I'm fine.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
How beautiful is the street behind me? It's really exciting to just walk along the streets, because when I arrived, which is probably the time that I had the most time to walk, I had my case. So with my case, I was just trundling it along and looking down all the time. But this is so... Oh, poor person. But this is so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Do you want to sit here? My
Yeah, we're gonna jump in twice. I remember you going to the game up with your friend. We went to war. With my year, one bike.
You're trying to avoid the camera.
Circle event.
all of us are